no, yeah, no, no.
Good morning. So just wanted to say good morning. I know my face is like bleh. And I don't know, just woke up. Boo thing already downstairs. I hear him down there doing something. I don't know what he's doing. So I'm about to go see what he's doing and what we're gonna get into today. Let's go. Let's go see.
Morning.
I knew I smelled
What you doing?
food. Nothing, just woke up. Today's a new day. So a few things we're gonna do today. Not really gonna do a whole lot.
I say
Jimmy
absolutely
really just
nothing. That's what I'm doing today.
he kind of just wants to chill. There is one thing I want to do, and you know, if we end up doing it, then I'll vlog then. But if we end up not doing it, then you know, it is what it is. But I don't know. So we will catch y'all a little later. Bye-bye.
You want some hot links for these grits, girl?
Those eggs look good. So I'm about to eat,
You know
y'all.
why they look good? Because Dante made them.
Oh,
That's why they look good.
really?
We whipping it.
Whip it real good. All right, y'all. Bye.
Vlogging is real life.
Okay.
None of it's scripted.
I know that. Hey, y'all.
What it do?
Welcome back, peeps.
Man, it's raining like hell out here right now. Shit is all the way in the way. Fucking my waves up.
So, we were just checking in with y'all. We're on our way to yet another birthday dinner. We go to more birthday dinners than I don't know what.
You shouldn't know so
Including
many
my
daggone
own.
people. You shouldn't know so many people.
Well, it's between my family, your family, like, you know, it is what it is. It's cool though.
You gotta eat good.
Give us a chance to go out to eat. Y'all can probably hear that rain. It is kind of crazy. So look, we got something coming for you guys a little later, so stay tuned. Yeah, I might have to vlog a little later because you can probably hear this rain and it's not good. So we'll holler at y'all a little later.
Peace.